Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome back to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Melda. You are welcome and God bless you. So today, I'm preparing for my family steamed ham with pineapples, white rice with a hint of carrot, and potato salad. If you want to see how I achieve this, then I suggest you continue watching. Let's do it. To my YouTube family, to my returning subscribers, brand new subscribers, my viewers, everybody, guess what I am doing today? Guess? Yes, I'm still doing it. I am still bringing the restaurant home. God bless you and continue watching. watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up. Share it out. Please leave a comment. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so, and be sure to hit the notification bell. Select all so that you can be notified whenever I'm on with something new. Don't forget to check out the description box now. Everything will be listed there for you. God bless you. God bless you. And I will see you in the next one.